Well, Penfolds was founded by a doctor, Englishman, Christopher Rawson Penfold, and he migrated here from England in 1844. They had the presence of mind to bring vine cuttings with them. And Max Schubert, a very famous Australian winemaker, he wanted to craft an Australian wine which could rival those great wines of Europe for longevity and cellarability. Grange was always a very contentious wine. Even from the early days, there were a lot of people that thought that Schubert was crazy. You know, this wine was something completely outside the normal paradigm.
The best match in Magill Estate kitchen at the moment would be the signature rum cap from a Eurostation with a glass of Grange. My philosophy is sort of high in ingredients, or a gradient that's amazingly been produced, and then keeping it quite simple but complex at the same time. So you might look at a plate and it might only have one or two things on the plate, but the work that goes behind those one or two things can be quite complex.
Well, the great thing about the Magill Estate vineyard and the facilities that we have here is its proximity to the city of Adelaide. We're only 8 kilometres or a 15-minute cab ride from the centre of Adelaide.
Penfolds Magill Estate, it doesn't always have to be about the fine dining restaurant. You can still come to the kitchen and enjoy a coffee and pastry early in the morning, or have for lunch, tasting menu, or just some cheese and a glass of Grange.